Hello everyone and welcome back to Auto Analysis Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic and attention-grabbing luxury touring machines imagined for the next generation of road travel, the 2026 Honda GoldWing Skyline Voyager X5. In this video, I'll share my personal thoughts, research-based analysis, and overall opinion about this advanced trike camper concept. We'll explore the exterior styling, interior comfort, technology, performance expectations, touring capability, and estimated pricing while comparing it with other premium touring trikes and compact camper motorcycles in the market. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at what could become one of Honda's most exciting luxury touring creations ever designed. The first thing that makes the 2026 Honda GoldWing Skyline Voyager X5 stand out is its incredible road presence. This machine looks like something directly taken from a futuristic sci-fi movie. Honda appears to blend the classic GoldWing touring DNA with modern electric-inspired styling and advanced camper functionality. The front design carries a sharper and more aerodynamic appearance than previous GoldWing models, featuring sleek LED matrix headlights, a wider front fairing, illuminated Honda badging, and aggressive daytime running lights that instantly give the Voyager X5 a premium identity on the road. From the side profile, the Skyline Voyager X5 looks massive yet extremely elegant. The stretched bodywork creates a luxury cruiser vibe while the integrated camper section gives it a true long-distance adventure personality. The trike setup provides extra stability and adds a bold muscular appearance that makes this machine impossible to ignore. Large aerodynamic wheel covers, chrome accents, futuristic alloy wheels, and smooth body lines all work together to create a premium high-tech design language. One of the most interesting exterior features is the compact smart camper integration. Unlike traditional motorcycle campers that feel attached separately, the Voyager X5 appears fully integrated into the vehicle's body structure. This gives it a cleaner and more advanced look while improving aerodynamics during highway touring. The rear section includes expandable side compartments, built-in camping storage, foldable utility panels, and integrated lighting systems for nighttime camping convenience. The paint options are expected to be one of the highlights of this futuristic trike camper. Honda could offer metallic silver, deep pearl black, dark blue titanium, and a stunning Skyline Red edition with illuminated trim accents. Combined with chrome detailing and premium gloss finishes, the Voyager X5 would easily look like a six-figure luxury touring machine. Moving toward the interior and comfort features, this is where the Skyline Voyager X5 truly becomes something special. Honda has always been known for comfort-focused touring motorcycles, and this concept takes that philosophy to another level. The rider and passenger seats appear wider, softer, and more supportive than the current GoldWing models. Premium leather upholstery with contrast stitching creates a first-class touring experience designed for extremely long-distance travel. The dashboard is expected to feature a massive fully digital panoramic display system. Instead of traditional analog gauges, Honda could introduce a curved touchscreen interface with customizable layouts, navigation systems, trip management, climate controls, camper controls, and advanced rider information. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice command functionality, and AI-assisted navigation could become standard features on the Voyager X5. Another futuristic touch is the possibility of a heads-up display projected directly onto the windshield. This system could show speed, navigation directions, fuel range, weather updates, and riding modes without distracting the rider from the road ahead. Ambient lighting throughout the cockpit would further enhance the luxury touring atmosphere, especially during nighttime rides. Passenger comfort also appears to be a major focus. The rear seating area offers large armrests, heated seating, back support, premium speakers, USB charging ports, and adjustable seating positions. Honda may even introduce massaging seat functions for long highway journeys. Combined with advanced suspension systems, the overall ride quality could feel smoother than many luxury SUVs. Now let's talk about the camper functionality because this is where the Skyline Voyager X5 separates itself from ordinary touring motorcycles. The compact camper module appears designed for solo travelers or couples looking for weekend adventures without needing a full-sized RV. The expandable mini cabin could include a fold-out sleeping area, compact storage units, integrated cooling compartments, portable cooking support, LED camping lights, and smart battery-powered utilities. Honda might also include solar-assisted charging panels integrated into the camper roof to support lighting and electronic systems during off-grid camping. This would make the Voyager X5 more eco-friendly and practical for adventure touring enthusiasts who love spending nights outdoors. Storage capacity is another strong point. Between the side panniers, rear compartments, hidden utility spaces, and camper storage modules, this machine could easily handle luggage for extended cross-country travel. Touring riders who value practicality would likely appreciate the balance between luxury and functionality. When it comes to performance, the Skyline Voyager X5 is expected to continue Honda's reputation for smooth and refined power delivery. While official specifications remain speculative, many enthusiasts believe Honda could use an updated version of the legendary 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine currently found in the GoldWing lineup. However, this future version may include hybrid assist technology for improved fuel efficiency and stronger low-end torque. Power output could potentially exceed 140 horsepower while maintaining the smooth and silent character GoldWing riders already love. The Trike platform would provide additional stability at high speeds, especially during long-distance highway rides and difficult weather conditions. Honda's advanced automatic transmission system would likely play a major role in the Voyager X5 experience. The latest DCT transmission technology could deliver smoother gear shifts, quicker acceleration, and stress-free city riding. Riders who spend long hours touring would definitely appreciate the comfort of automatic shifting combined with adaptive riding modes. The Skyline Voyager X5 may also feature multiple drive settings including Touring, Sport, Rain, Eco, and Camper mode. Each mode would adjust throttle response, suspension settings, traction control, and power delivery depending on riding conditions. This level of customization would make the vehicle feel more intelligent and rider-focused. Suspension technology is expected to be one of the strongest elements of the Voyager X5. Honda could introduce electronically adaptive suspension capable of automatically adjusting ride height and damping based on road conditions, passenger weight, and cargo load. This would significantly improve comfort and stability during long-distance travel. Braking performance should also remain excellent thanks to advanced ABS systems, larger disc brakes, and enhanced traction management. Considering the size and weight of this Trike camper, Honda would likely prioritize rider safety with radar-assisted cruise control, lane monitoring systems, blind spot alerts, collision warning systems, and emergency braking assistance. Fuel economy may surprise many riders despite the vehicle's size. If hybrid technology becomes part of the drivetrain, the Voyager X5 could deliver better efficiency than traditional large touring motorcycles. Combined with a large fuel tank, this would make it perfect for cross-country road trips without constant fuel stops. Now let's discuss pricing because this futuristic touring camper definitely wouldn't come cheap. If Honda ever brings the Skyline Voyager X5 into production, pricing could realistically start around $45,000 to $60,000 depending on trim levels and technology packages. Fully loaded premium editions with advanced camper systems and luxury features could even reach higher price ranges. While that may sound expensive, it's important to remember this machine combines the experience of a luxury touring motorcycle, a high-tech trike, and a compact adventure camper all in one package. Compared with luxury touring RVs or premium three-wheel touring machines, the value proposition could still attract serious enthusiasts. In terms of competition, the Skyline Voyager X5 would compete against high-end touring trikes, luxury motorcycle campers, and futuristic electric touring concepts. However, Honda's strong reputation for reliability, comfort, and innovation could give it a major advantage in this segment. Overall, the 2026 Honda GoldWing Skyline Voyager X5 represents an exciting vision for the future of motorcycle touring. It blends luxury, advanced technology, futuristic styling, long-distance comfort, and compact camper practicality into one unforgettable machine. Even if this remains a concept or digital vision for now, it clearly shows how motorcycle travel could evolve over the next decade. For riders who dream about exploring highways, mountains, and camping destinations in complete comfort and style, the Skyline Voyager X5 feels like the ultimate adventure machine. It's bold, futuristic, luxurious, and designed to turn every road trip into a premium touring experience. So that's my full analysis and opinion on the 2026 Honda GoldWing Skyline Voyager X5. Would you actually buy a futuristic trike camper like this if Honda released it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future vehicle reviews, concept campers, and next-generation touring machines right here on Auto Analysis Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.